electric bike. That is already here. Andito na, dumating. Okay.
I wonder if that thing's okay for you. That's it.
Yeah. It's here.
Oh, okay. Turn it where it should be. I'm sure that connects to your bicycle.
I think that's good enough. Yeah.
You'll know when you sit down, because if it falls down,
I know.
this is
It's
our.
so hard. I don't wanna push it hard and
Okay.
anyway. That's what I wonder. Please keep use attach all key to tight brake. This one should be up a little bit. There you go. This one. And so this is the left. Not going in. Lock the left pedal in counterclockwise.
Go left. There we go. That's the way it goes. You got to hold that perfectly straight.
That's the left pedal. Then we'll do the right one. Almost.
Does theirs work pretty good?
Oh yeah, I tried it.
You got it nice and tight, right?
Yeah. There you go. Okay. So it's fully charged. So I will use it now, and I'll show you how to start it. What you do is you just press this red here. Now it's on. Yeah. See?
Yeah, we got to put air in the back one. Okay.
No, the front.
Okay, well, the back one's damn near flat.
Oh.
So I know the front. Where's my air pump?
I love this bike. I really love it. Kaya bumili din ako. Lang ito. Yan, it's on. Blue, it means fully charged. So, ito yung light niya sa likod. At saka meron din light dito sa harap. Yan. So, let's on it here. It's on the left side. That's the light. Saka yung light sa likod. Yan. Then yung pedal also, mafu-fold to siya. I-push mo lang siya tapos fold. Hirap ipo-fold. I'm holding the camera. So I'll put it down. I'll show it to you. Like that. So you push. And then fold up there. Ibalik mo. Ganyan lang. There you go. Yan na. So ang una natin gawin is on natin to. Ito yung battery ng e-bike. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin, i-charge. Pwede mo rin siyang i-charge dito sa gilid. Yan yung ginawa ko. Then, ang blue is fully charged, green is charging, and then the red is low battery. So, full na yan ngayon. So, ito yung LCD display. Press mo lang ng 3 times, lalabas na siya. So, ito yung horn. Ito, sa gilid. Yan yung horn. Tapos, i-press mo 1 time. Yun naman ang light. Yan naman ang light. Very bright. Tapos, may light din sa harap. It's white. Red yung sa likod. Then, line. Ito, battery. Yan naman natin. Yan. So, diyan, nakalagay battery. So, it means it's fully charged. May 4 na line. Tapos, itong sa taas is the speed of the light. I-press mo lang 1 time. So, ayan, na-off na yung light. Yan, wala na ang light. So, ito yung speed mo. Pero, merong 1, 2, 3 na speed. So, ito yung plus. Ito yung minus. So, i-press natin yung 1, 2, mode 3. So, there are 3 modes. 1 yung pinaka-lowest. Ang 3 naman ang pinaka-mabilis. And then, ito yung brake niya, dalawa. Left and right. So, pag nag-brake ako, sinabay ko yung dalawa. Para dalawang brake. Kasi meron dito sa harap na gulong. Andito rin yung isang brake sa likod. So, dalawang gulong ang mag-brake. So, I think yan lang guys. Ang masasabi ko sa bike na ito. I'm not the expert. First time ko to. So, pasensya. Kung ito lang ang na-explain ko. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Also watch with my bike.
Yes, it matches too, and more red and black.
What's wrong?
I don't know about her. Hey. Go down the street.
I go back, okay?
Huh?
I go down there.
Okay. Put it in 2 or 3.
Yun. It's too fast, you know?
Okay. Mama,
Yeah. Huh?
give it a shot. Let's see you go. Ay, ay, ay. She's gone.